Hello YouTubers and Redakai fans, this is Yo-Yo Dog 64 and I'm just gonna do a quick video on the Redakai Gold Pack. It gives you six X drives, 1 rare, sometimes a super rare. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm having problems. There we go. I got it. First card, Blizzard Blades. Does 1 damage in the middle, 450, basic. If you're a basic player, I've been wanting that one for a while. Borderless Blast, I guess. Correct me on the comments. And I got Boulder Punch. So yep, that can go good with one of my other monsters that I have. Then I got a rare Sionis Blue Elemental. Sorry. It's pretty cool. I'll put those in sleeves later on. Then I got another rare Lightning Beam Blast. Pretty cool, people. Pretty cool. Then my last one, since it's gold pack, 6 cards only. Tri-Squad Ren Machine. And so, that is it. Thank you. And I am signing off.